Welcome to our natural gastro sale. Our focus is to show you the best and the nicest places in Costa Brava, focusing in how gastronomy you can see in all our magnificent landscape. The idea is to take a trip by sailing and just walking with no difficulty around the shore of the Costa Brava. So looks how amazing is this plan. Probably with this plan we never found or arrived to the American continent from Europe. Why I tell you that? Just I give you a small piece, tiny piece of this plan. Just taste it, notice what is happening, what is the smell, what is the taste.